I don't even know how this happened, where back to back I have two massive weddings, and I'm talking about multi-day events, multi-locations, and one is at the Plaza in New York City and the other one is in Costa Rica. And I have to tell you guys, like, I am really starting to freak out. Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Like, I'm ready to, like, I just went to Pilates to try to clear my head. I'm gonna be on my way to the Plaza now. We're checking in. We're staying over for the next 3 days at the Plaza. I'm bringing my whole family because we're all in. This is it. I totally feel sick. Yikes. I'm not gonna post this until after my Plaza wedding because the bride has no idea that we are unable to get one of the courses for her guests. So we have to change everything, and the wedding's in 24 hours and everyone is panicking because something just didn't come in with the right quality. So we have to pivot and we have to reprint the menus, and we have 24 hours to do that. I'm freaking the fuck out, if you can't tell.
Aren't they cool?
They are insane. Look at that.
This is the day before the big day, and we have everything coming in today so we could quality control, check it. So first you have the linens that arrived. We are building all of the trees that are gonna create our frosted winter forest. That's what we're gonna call this, a frosted winter forest. So as you can see, the base of the trees, they're making it over there. See how tight they are, like how tight everything is? Like it's honestly perfect. And we're kind of creating this almost like wet look. So everything is like, looks like it had like a little gloss on it. And we got a lot of inspiration from Kim Kardashian's Mugler gown from the Met Gala. And so the whole purpose is to like make this look like a winter wonderland that like froze over. So it's just gonna be layers and layers and layers of flowers, like just more. These are just gonna get blown up tomorrow. Like this is nothing yet. We haven't even put all the real stuff.
It's happening.
It's happening. We're gonna do it. It's wedding day.
Wedding day.
Are you excited?
Of course I am excited.
Do you see these trees? Can we see this ballroom?
You can go.
Oh my God. You know, sometimes you dream of these things and then like here it is. It's like it's in real life. The ceremony rehearsal is going off and I'm still here at the Plaza and we're measuring out our ice bar that's gonna be there tomorrow night. The carpet is installed. We are gonna install our dance floor tomorrow, put all our tables together, and of course, our floral chandelier. We have a 16-foot floral chandelier that's going to be suspended from the ceiling. Look, they're making it right now. We're building it from scratch. Watch us as we transform the Plaza Hotel into a frosty winter wedding creation. We started conceptualizing our theme with a snowy night projection on the ceiling of the palm court. We then moved into the ballroom and created a cascading floral chandelier that resembled snowfall atop the reflective glass-like dance floor. We want our guests to feel as if they are walking into an enchanted winter forest with tons of golden light from all the candles, fresh snowfall, and a dewy, frosted look on the floral trees. Each of the trees will be adorned with white flowers and dripping with crystals to resemble frozen raindrops mid-fall and a frosted glow on all the flowers. It is looking incredible in here for our client. We're doing a lighting test. We're also working on the chandelier right now. We are working on the rigging as well as the balance of the chandelier. So everything's going really well. It's starting to come together. So your bar would essentially, we have the 3 feet and then it would start basically your bar. Part of our winter wonderland was to have some sort of like ice
themed component. We conceptualized with the client a 40-foot ice bar, and that's where guests are going to grab their cocktail tomorrow night. So what we're doing right now is we're placing all of the trays that are gonna capture all the water that melts. It's absolutely wild. Hi.
What's going on? You look so pretty.
Hi, thank you.
No problem. You do your own makeup?
I did my own makeup.
That's right.
That's right, I did my own makeup. Doodle. Hi, Chickie. Look at this. Do you see? This is mommy's job. This is what I do on the weekends.
Right now, we are dealing with the fact that the tables are a little too intimate for our taste. So we are trying to fix that right now. And we are rearranging the ballroom just a little bit in order to make sure that everything fits. More than confident in my team that we did everything to scale and it's going to fit perfectly. So it's just a matter of shifting things around, but it will definitely fit. I'm confident.
So many flowers. This is insane. There's my escort cardboard. We are creating a hotel lobby right here. And when guests come out of cocktail hour, they're gonna walk up to the lobby and there's gonna be a cute little kick liner, and this whole wall is gonna be lined with keys to the plaza.
So they created a custom performance for your daughter.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God.
I have chills right
I
now.
know. Just wait till tomorrow. Wait till you see with all lights and
Just
everything.
wait till they come here with their cute little like leotard bellhops.
I saw the costumes are so cute.
Did you? Yeah, the gold and white. I know you did.
All of them. I loved them.
We picked everything.
I love
I know you
it. It
did.
looks so good. Everything is perfect.
Look at this with the orchids.
Are you nervous?
Tomorrow I probably
Okay,
will
because I'm like anxious. AF.
be. Tomorrow I think I will be more. I mean,
Okay.
have I slept much? No.
No.
But like I never sleep, so it's not
Okay,
like
makes sense. Yeah.
You probably won't
okay.
sleep much tonight, but
No.
it's okay.
We'll leave you be for a little bit. You're gonna get ready, and then we will meet you downstairs in the lobby for the rehearsal.
Yeah, 3:30 is when we'll plan on.
Yes. Bye,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Good morning. We are back in the ballroom. We had an overnight install. Look at that chandelier. That's about to go all the way up. We are finally starting to set our tables with our trees in the center. That took a long time. We were really tight on space in the room. We spent the last day making sure everything and everyone fit, and it's going off.
Good morning. We're back in action. All night. When I design a space, you have to think about what each angle is going to look like with the final product. So in this situation, we put a water feature behind the bar so that when we go and look at the bar, we're framing the trees, the bar, and the water feature with the chandelier. And it, from a design's eye, is it gives depth perspective to the room. So it shows how tall the ceiling is. It also shows how big the chandelier is by making sure that you've covered each of your angles in your space. And the problem was that it's not functional because the bar is off to the side, but the bartenders are in front of our water feature. So do we choose design today or do we choose function? I'm gonna choose design every day, all day. Design every day, all day. So it's the water feature. You look stunning. Thank you for your help. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Are you excited?
After all the alterations.
It better be fucking good. Sarah and Mike found me literally 3 days after I gave birth to Aurelia. And they were the first client that I met coming out of the hospital. And I just knew that they were a right fit for me. And I think they knew too. We just got along so well. And she said, I want you to recreate Kim Kardashian's Mugler Met Gala look. She had this incredible dress that looked as if she was wet. And Sarah was like, I want that for my wedding. I want you to create that concept as a winter wedding in New York City. Can you do it? And the answer is yes. And then one over there. In here, we're doing cocktail hour, and we're splitting up cocktail hour between the Palm Court as well as the terrace room. So we're gonna have a 7-piece live band that's gonna play in between the 2 rooms. And then we're going to have a seafood bar with an ice sculpture with, of course, our client's crest. And we're gonna be doing family photos back here as well as a really cool champagne tower. So there's a lot going on. We have to approve every detail. Yeah, it won't crash, right? So how do you know it won't fall?
Oh my God, I just got Sarah and Mike save the date in the mail. This is our save the date for our wedding at the Plaza. This is their beautiful crest that they had custom designed from Fancy That. And then this is the key hole to the Plaza. And you open it up, look how cool that is. Would you guys go to a wedding with a save the day like this? Who could say no?
We're about to start the wedding ceremony at St. Patrick's Cathedral in 1 hour. So that means wedding guests are gonna start going on the buses. We're also starting to set up the ice bar. So that's literally being assembled on site, brick by brick by brick. The mother of the bride asked me to create a ice element for her because obviously we're in a winter wonderland in the Plaza Hotel, and we had everything else but a massive ice display. And everyone's done a raw bar before, and of course we did a raw bar, and we had a gorgeous display of ice at cocktail hour, but we needed something bigger for the reception. And so what we did was we worked with one of our amazing partners, and we created a 40-foot diamond cut ice bar in the middle of the plaza. I feel like I got hit by a bus and it's 4 o'clock on Saturday. What is this? I need coffee. I'm going till midnight. It's been 1 hour and it feels like it's been 10. I'm exhausted, right? Doesn't it feel like it's been 10 hours? Like I'm not crazy, right? Like it's been a marathon. I have 8 more hours. My shift literally just started again. Tension is really high. Like I'm starting to feel the pressure. None of the chairs have been placed yet. You know, I'm definitely really nervous. A lot has to get done and we need to be room ready in 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours and we're not there yet. Congrats! Look at you, I'm gonna come to you. You look so stunning, I can't handle you. How was it? Was it great?
Yeah, it was
perfect.
good.
You look gorgeous. Look at this. Wedding bands on point. I haven't even seen your mom all day. You look beautiful. Congratulations.
So much.
You guys are going to the terrace room.
Yes.
Congratulations. How was it? You feel good? We ready to party? We did it. Paul's doing greeting, and then anybody that's here early, she likes the color white. Yes, everything white.
It looks great.
How gorgeous, right?
It's gorgeous, yeah.
Let's approve this. I just got Sarah's sign off. I want to sign off on this so you guys can open. I think what made this event so special was that we had 6 of New York City's most famous kick line. We had 6 of their ladies that came in and did a special bellhop performance. We customized all of their outfits, which you can see here, and we created every single one of their bellhop outfits to their routine. We worked with their lead choreographer, and this was a custom routine for my client. Mike, come on in.
So pretty. So nice.
You love it?
Love it.
It is a different room. All for you. All for you
so
guys.
much.
Kind of crazy. The night is over. It's 10:15. They're partying in there till 11. We've already broken down this room. Like, Palm Court's ready to open tomorrow. We're gonna go to the Oak Room in 45 minutes, but it's like so surreal when it's done. It kind of just feels like a dream, and you just woke up and it's like, it's over, you know? I guess it's just like my dream. Just, it's over. It's the end of the night.
But what did I tell you? It's gonna be adventurous. What is this? Sometimes like everybody's gotta get like a kick in the ass. Like let's move, let's go. The wedding started.